Myself, Somesh Vinayak Tewari, Head of the Department, Electrical and Electronics Engineering. The department was established in the year 2018. We have an intake of 30 students with a specialization of B.Tech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering with a specialization in renewable energy. We also have an PhD intake of students with specializations in the area of power electronics and drives, electric vehicles, high voltage engineering, power systems, smart grids. We have a diverse group of faculty members. We have nearly 12 to 13 laboratories catering into the needs of the students in line with the industry needs so that students get industry trains. The Department of Electrical Engineering has Renewable Energy Lab, which has wind energy based system, fuel cell based system and solar energy based system. With the wind energy based system, we have a wind turbine arrangement which is usually driven through a three-phase induction motor. We have the wind turbine on the other side and we have the total panel arrangement wherein we have the three-phase diode rectifier, the charge controller, the battery for a AC to DC conversion, followed by to drive the DC load, followed by an inverter for the AC load. So this entire arrangement forms a part of an experiment in the Renewable Energy Lab. The speed of the wind is measured by the anemometer. This experiment forms a crucial part in explaining the wind energy based concept in the course of renewable energy, which forms a specialization within the B.Tech EEE curriculum. Another of the experiments forms a fuel cell training system wherein we make the students aware of the fuel cell based concept, a concept which is very trending in all hydrogen based fuel trains and all. Herein we have the hydrogen as the source to drive in the fuel cell, which ultimately can be coupled with a DC to DC converter arrangements of various topologies and forms a part of a powertrain or a drivetrain arrangements, which is a present day trending concept. Another crucial experiment is that with the solar panel wherein we try to understand the IV characteristics, and this is the solar panel where we make use of the solar panel with a light arrangement to understand the temperature, the current, the IV characteristic. The solar panel output is then fed to the DC to DC converter, which can be used to drive different type of load arrangement. This experiment gives a hands-on in understanding how we are able to drive a EV or a drivetrain application using renewable energy sources, with solar playing a major role in case of battery charging arrangement. An important part of the Advanced Power System Lab, this transmission line simulator panel is used to simulate a 200 km parallel and a 400 km length of the transmission line arrangement. Now, this is a I-section arrangement to understand a 4 kV line, and herein we can connect any of the generating sources followed by the transmission line, and we can modulate it with different loads, be it an R load, be it an RL load, be it an RLC load. So the entire data can be recorded on a pre-C through a software arrangement. The data can be calculated at later point of time for understanding. The High Voltage Engineering Lab in the EEE department basically houses a 100 kV AC system, a 100 kV DC system and a 150 kV lightning impulse generator. Along with this, we have experiments to test the breakdown strength in air, in different gases, in vacuum, breakdown in liquids and breakdown in solid. The high voltage engineering course is very relevant for industry professionals, especially practicing in the area of power systems, protection, switch gears, and this lab basically provides in an industry level experience to students in handling voltage of the order of kV range. The electrical machine course is an integral part of the B.Tech EEE curriculum and the basic of many of the courses. At SRM University AP within the EEE department, we have a very well established electrical machine labs which caters into DC machines, AC machines, induction motors, synchronous generators, looking into the various concepts of the machine, providing the students with a hands-on exposure and understanding of the working principles of different motor generators, transformers arrangement, so that they get a clear experience of understanding the different theoretical concepts.